now we're going over what you need before you actually start installing sprinkler heads. We've laid down our PVC piping, we've connected our PVC pipes, we've actually done our adjoining corners, and we've sealed them all with the proper glue. Now, before you actually install the sprinkler heads, what do you need to make sure that everything is correct? And what you need to do is, as we move up, find your spots of your actual sprinkler and insert the actual riser into the threaded adjoining connector. Here you're able to see that the riser is connected with a corner unit and a pop out. Again, you would place your adjoining threaded connectors where your flags had indicated where you actually needed. That's how you keep track of everything where your sprinkler system is going, is by the use of the flags. The flags are very important. And so the connections, once the connection's made, keep track of where your riser is actually going to go and make sure you use the right piping for the connector. One mistake by gluing a regular PVC piping connector would mean the loss of a lot of material. So it's